Hey everyone, it's Casey from Ormsby Farm. So today, my topic in the collab is we're going to be talking about grants and loans for startup or small farm / homesteads. So one thing that I researched while we were doing the year and a half of searching for land that we did was there are a lot of great resources out there for grants for startup farms or startup homesteads. I'm going to leave all of those links in the description box below. So make sure that you check those out. Because of there are a lot of grants out there for small farms, because sadly enough, there were so many small farms that closed down due to so with that, I was searching. There's a couple links that I found very helpful and very informative on startup homesteads or grants, or homesteads or farms. You know, if you're wanting to make this a business, this is a good business opportunity to go in, do some research, apply, because there's one through, I have my computer right here. It's through the USDA that they offer anywhere from $500 grants all the way up to $15,000, y'all, per project. One thing is you do have to get USDA organic certified for a lot of them, but there is information on the website on how to do that. To grow your business long term, USDA organic may be a good way for you and your farm to earn extra money. You know, to have that title attached with you. USDA.gov is another really good website to go. Right now, during the fall holiday months, is when a lot of the grants go live on the website for the next gardening season. Make sure that you check daily to see when new ones are posted. And I'm going to show on a screen here as I'm scrolling through all of it. You go in, you look, agricultural is what you're looking for. If you click on that button or click on USDA, whichever one you want to click on, there's a button to the side of the left. It will pull up all those grants that pertain to farming, homesteading. Now, when I say farming, homesteading, I actually learned that legally you cannot call it a farm unless you are 10 acres or more. 9 acres or below would be considered a homestead business. Call it what you want, but because we're still Ormsby Farms, but legally on paper we are a homestead because we're a little over 9 acres, like 9.7 or something. So let's go ahead and we're gonna jump in to the USDA website, and I'm gonna just kind of walk you around and show you how everything looks, so that if you are interested in applying for grants through USDA or another agricultural grant, you know how to do it. So here we go, let's jump on in. So once you go to the grants.gov or the USDA.gov website, you come up to this site right here. You got farm loans, you got housing assistant, you got rural development loans, beginner farmers and ranch, livestock insurance. So everything that you need for starting your homestead or farm, you have right here. One thing that I didn't know was there's housing allowances for farmers that live 75% of the time on their land. So any of them you can click. I'm just going to go click on the beginning farmers and ranchers, and all of this pops up. Application forms, resources, which is all of these are great resources. So you definitely want to click on them, read up on them, to get all of the facts before applying for any of these programs. So make sure you do your research on that one. That is the USDA .gov website. Another one that I really like is beginner farmers plural.org. And this is another one. It does a lot of information on grants for startup farms or established farms. All of this right here, funding, farmer, livestock, all of it. These are great websites. So make sure that you bookmark these websites so you have them and you can start preparing for your 2022 season, you could say. So y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video of the Homesteading 101 video collab. I hope you are enjoying the collab so far. It's kind of halfway. My video is halfway through. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to the channels that are posting these videos. These channels are wealth of knowledge for starter homesteaders, starter gardeners, starter farmers. So make sure you're subscribing and watch all of their videos, and not just the video collab videos, but the videos that they have on their channel. Make sure for us, if you're enjoying our videos, to give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell icon so you know anytime that new content drops to our channel. Follow us on social media to Instagram and Facebook at Ormsby Farm. All of these videos and more information will be in our beginner homesteader group on Facebook. So the link for that will be left below. Come and join us. We'll be posting a lot of great information on that Facebook page. Y'all, and until next video, keep swiping through this Homesteading 101, y'all. Be blessed.
I'm coming home.